In Prisma Cloud, you can create a new custom policy, and you can also include the steps or CLI commands that are necessary to remediate a policy violation. When building a new custom policy, from the remediation page of the policy wizard, I can now start to enter the details for remediation in the text boxes. For recommendation for remediation, I can go ahead and add the recommended steps for remediation that would need to be performed from the admin console of the cloud account. I'll go ahead and paste the steps in. So these are the steps I would need to perform from the Google Cloud Admin Console in order to manually remediate a violation of this policy. For the CLI command, I want the actual CLI command syntax that is necessary to remediate the issue on the cloud account. I can include resource variables in the command syntax so that I target the offending resource. So we'll go ahead and right-click and I'll paste the command in. Now that I've entered the command, I can validate the syntax. And you can see once the validation has been performed, I get a green check mark indicating that it is valid. And for the last step, I can add a CLI command description, which will include any necessary permissions required to execute the command. So we'll paste that in as well. Now that all the fields have been entered and I have validated the CLI command syntax, I can click Save to create this new policy with the steps and the CLI command necessary for remediation incorporated into the policy itself. And all system admins and account admins are notified by email when there are any changes to CLI commands that are used for remediation.